Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I was so ready to use this chest mount, but I have an upcoming trip where I cannot use this. So we're gonna do some research and see how to do the helmet mount. Okay, so luckily when I bought my GoPro, it did come with one of these 3M VHB mounts. I really like this video by Simon, and I enjoy supporting smaller channels like mine. He uses a little heat. According to Google, we need to clean and abrade the surface. Let's go set that up. Moment of truth. I used 120 grit sandpaper here. The light reflection goes from shiny to matte. I am planning on having this go somewhere here for the curvature of the mount to match the helmet. Let's warm it up a little bit. Okay, let's peel it. Looks pretty good to me. Just double checking and making sure this is where I'm pretty happy with it. Last thing I'm gonna do is use a clamp and need to give this 24 hours to cure. It's been about a day or two, and unfortunately I don't think I did a very good job with placement because it does look a little crooked to me. But I'm not too bothered by it. We won't have any ski footage until the next video because that trip's coming up. But let's still put on the Insta360 camera and see what it looks like. I'm also curious what the audio for this is gonna sound like, so we will find out soon enough when I edit this video. Number 263 done.